I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. Okay, you know where you are? This is Peculiar Hair and Styles. Yes, if it's your first time of being here, I welcome you. You are highly welcome to Peculiar Hair and Styles channel, okay? So consider joining the family by subscribing. Yeah, put the bell notification to all so you don't get to miss whenever we upload a new video. You will be the first to watch, okay? Yeah, so in today's video you will be watching African Trending Cornrows 2022 stylish amazing hair braiding. Yes, they are so stylish. They are so unique as well. So guys, you can achieve these hairstyles with or without hair extensions, okay? But it will be more perfect with hair extensions. But if you want to try them out without hair extensions, with only your natural hair, you can go ahead and do that, okay? Some of these hairstyles are tribal hairstyles. Yeah, some of them are considered tribal hairstyles. So you can come up with your own style, okay? So you can rock some of them with beads or any hair accessories of your choice. Feel free to try whatever you want to try out, okay? Feel free to try all these styles out, okay? And let me know at the comment section which of the styles you are going to try out next. Yes. You can carry this style more than 4 weeks, okay? These styles are protective hairstyles, okay? So when you have these styles, you don't need to be worrying about losing your hair, okay? They are protective hairstyles. So you can go ahead and have this style with any hair extension color of your choice. So are you looking for braided hairstyle ideas for your next new look or hairdo, hair salon appointment, or you want hair tutorial videos? Search no more, because you are going to see latest in African American hairstyles for women here, okay? Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, before you leave, don't forget to like the video, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Till then, keep loving yourself. Make sure you stay out of trouble. I love you. Bye.